Does it take more than one cycle to dry your towels or jeans? Does your laundry come out hot but still damp?
Don't wait all day to dry your clothes. Call me at Dryer Vent Wizard of Northern Nevada. A clogged dryer vent means more cycles to dry your laundry and more work for you. Plus, clogged dryer vents caused more than 15,000 house fires last year. Dryer Vent Wizard will inspect, clean, and repair your vent so your dryer runs efficiently and safely.
Don't let your dryer start a fire or waste your time. Call Dryer Vent Wizard today.